Hi guys, Jim from Colton RV from the top of a motorhome. Today we're going to show you the tips and maintenance and things you need to look for when it comes to your typical rubber roof. What you want to look for every 6 months, the manufacturers recommend that you get up on your roof and you check the sealants and around all the vents, and you're just looking for cracks in these vents and the sealants around them. You'll look at all the seams, around the air conditioner, around the skylights, around the antenna, the front seams, and you're just looking for cracks and documenting that you didn't see any. Because if you didn't write it, you didn't do it. So the manufacturers will throw the warranty out on you if you don't document that you checked it every 6 months. If you do see any cracks, you're going to want to take a sealer that's recommended for your particular roof brand and product and fill in the holes and seal all the cracks to ensure that you don't have any water intrusion into your roof and cause you a lot of damage and a lot of hassle and headaches down the road. The other thing with a roof and maintenance is keeping it clean. A simple car wash soap and a garden hose is all you really need to do to get the dirt and the debris off the roofs. The awning, while we're up here talking about roof maintenance, your awning's just as important. And again, it's just a mild soap and a brush, and you can clean your roof, clean your awning all at the same time. You want to look for cracks in any of your plastic shrouds, the sewer vents, the roof vents. Another good thing to have, and we show here, are your max air vent covers, which will allow you to leave the vents open in the rain. Where this vent, you're going to wind up with water in if you leave it open in a rainstorm. And it's a short, sweet video because there really isn't a lot to do up here, and it's not very hard to tell you. Look for cracks, keep it clean. Any cracks get sealed up. And thanks for watching this video.